our platformer game. This is part 2 if you didn't know, so I'm going to jump. Didn't sound how it's supposed to. Okay, so you're gonna get if then. Dun-dun. Oh yeah, I have to make a ground too. You're gonna name this level. And you're going to name this player. You'll see why I named it level. So you're going to make a quick just make it round. So like, yeah, just like that. And yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna set this to 0, 0. That is the middle if you did not know. And then you're going to go to player. And then I'm going to do if touching color we're going to make a variable and call it YV. This stands for Y velocity. So now you're going to set Y velocity to 0. I don't remember actually, sorry. So then you're going to do if then again, and you're going to go to variables. You're going to go to sensing. You're going to do space key is pressed, but up arrow, but you can still do space key if you want. Change Y velocity by jump. Jump is this is the jump height. So now, if we see, I forgot. You're going to do something else, and you're going to change Y velocity by -1. And then you're going to get another thing. We're going to change Y by Y velocity. You'll see he's going up, so you're going to do Y velocity. Hello, where did you go? This usually works. Why is it not working? The jump works, but I don't know why it's sinking in the ground. Stop. Oh, I think that's why. You have to change this to 0 so it doesn't keep sinking. There you go, see? It's easy. That was so easy. This is the first time it actually works for me, because it usually never works. So yeah. And then you can change jump height to whatever you want up here in the controls. You want to change it to 10, but you can change it to whatever you want. It'll jump lower. You can even change it to 5 or something. Not even lower. So I combined those two to make it a big platformer height. There you go, see? That's how you play. That's how you do the game. I'm just gonna clean up. In the next part, if you want to call it that, that's what everybody calls it that, you're going to do something called sprites. You're not just gonna play with this box everywhere. You saw in the first video that I actually yeah, you're not supposed to see that. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm actually gonna do something else. I'm going to add sound to your game in the next video. Bye.